Hello everyone, Samir here coming at you with a new video. Today I just decided to do a little quick video from my backyard. I am not using any screen sharing or anything like that. I just wanted to talk to you guys about some issues that I believe are affecting the majority from succeeding on Merch by Amazon. And the funny thing is that uh, I take it upon myself to try to go and write these long posts in the groups to try to help people. I don't want anything in exchange, and I never try to sell you anything, and I will never try to sell you anything. And you probably wonder what I want in exchange. I don't want anything in exchange. I don't want you to offer me anything. I don't want you to give me anything. I don't want you to pay me anything. Whatever I make on my own. I'm capable of making my own living on my own, and I don't need anybody to help me in any way. The only way you can help is if you can share some tips and tricks with the community. I know that a lot of people are struggling, or they're trying hard to succeed on Merch by Amazon, but they're struggling. And part of the reason I believe is that a lot of people think that there is this magic formula that they can do to succeed. There is like this magic recipe that successful people know about, and they're keeping it like an inside circle. Like there is a closed circle that knows about that secret, and they're not sharing it with everyone, with anyone. So people are like struggling, trying to find out all these things that don't exist. And the trick is really hard work and upload, fill up your tiers, and wait to tier up. But there is one thing that I like to emphasize, and I feel like a lot of people are skipping this step, which is the most important step anyway. If you're entering a trade, if you're gonna open a restaurant, you wanna make sure that you can make some good food before you start selling it. You're not going to worry about advertising, and you're not going to worry about what color your tablecloths are, or any other detail if you can't make good food. Even the location won't save you. You can be in the heart of downtown, but if your food sucks, nobody's going to buy the food from you. And is there a solution to that in Merch by Amazon? Of course there is a solution. And the solution is go and learn how to design. If what you're doing is not working, stop trying the same thing and expecting different results. You know, that's the definition of insanity. And by saying this, I don't mean to insult anyone. Take a break. Go, if you can afford it, buy some courses on Photoshop courses, or Illustrator courses, or any other software that you're using. If you can't afford it, I mean, thank God in the 21st century we have YouTube, and there's a lot of free content out there. Maybe you're gonna have to watch a 5-second commercial, but that's as cheap as it can get. Take some time to go and watch some videos, learn new techniques every day, one simple technique, and then you can apply it to your t-shirt designs. Okay, if you just go on YouTube and just type in how to do a clip-in mask on Photoshop, if you learn that technique, then you can apply it on your t-shirt. Then you can have some cooler t-shirts than you did have before. Okay, then the next day or a few days later, after you master that technique, you can go back and learn Photoshop shortcuts, things that are gonna make designing a lot easier for you, you know, and learn how to open up new layers, how to design with different layers, how to merge your layers. You know, like just like little small things, just like hitting Shift Control Alt E will merge all your layers into one layer. This will help you. So go ahead and do these things, and then after you learn that, maybe you can learn some new things, like how to I can't even think. I mean, there is a million things that you can learn on Photoshop or Illustrator, or you can learn typography. You know, some people, like, I'll be honest with you, I wouldn't say I suck at typography, but I'm not what I want to be with typography. And typography is very important, like especially it comes in very handy in my opinion, especially when you're using script fonts and you're making designs that are geared toward women. And for some reason I feel like women are better at it, using the script fonts and writing those like little uh, small quotes, you know what I mean, that are meaningful to women and stuff. I can come up with some great quotes, but I feel like I don't give it justice when I design it. I just feel like some people are better than I am at that. Maybe I should brush up a little bit on my typography skills. But when it comes to Photoshop, I remember when I first started Merch by Amazon, I was using GIMP. If I opened Photoshop, I couldn't tell you if it's a male or a female. I knew nothing about it. And now I am proud to tell you that I produce designs that are, in my opinion, much better than some designs that are produced by professional designers. And the reason why is because I'm a procrastinator when it comes to uploading. I should have 30,000 shirts on Merch by now, but that's my flaw. I gotta work on that. But when it comes to learning, I love to learn. I learn about everything and anything, even if it doesn't have to do with Merch or making me money or anything. I like to learn every day. Every day you learn something new, it's gonna help you. So, and especially when it's something that you're going to use every day to make money, like in this case for Merch by Amazon. And so when I post something like this, I get surprised to see some people tell me, oh, no, you're wrong. No, that's not important. The design is not important. Some people make some like really simple designs that don't require any skill or anything, and they're making good money. They have bestsellers and stuff. You know what? I find that to be ridiculous, that I have to argue with that. So I'm asking, what do you guys suggest these people? What are you disagreeing with? You're telling me that because some designs, you know, like the I paused my game to be here design, because some designs like that made it to be bestsellers, you're telling people that, okay, you don't need to learn how to design, okay? This, I mean, it's ridiculous. It's even stupid to answer. But you know me in the groups. Anytime I reply to someone, I try to reply with the most polite and kind way I can. And I don't like to create any enemies in the group, because at the end of the day, we're all friends. And if something bad or negative comes out, I'd rather it's not from me and it's from the other party. And this is not weakness. This is just trying to be kind. And the funny thing is that people have been taught so much to watch out from stranger. Everyone's got an ulterior motive. Everyone wants something from you. So anytime you try to be kind to people, they kind of suspect, like, what is he trying to do? What does he want? You're not gonna give me anything. I don't want anything from you.